Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to see let's say if we have a problem. So first we will see what are the options are available to solve that problem. Once we have the options, what exactly we need to do to resolve that problem. And let's say if we don't, everything has been closed, then how we can move to the text query. Because everyone might not be comfortable in DAX. So one should know that what are the available options. So today for that problem, to approach a problem, I have taken a simple substring problem where we want to extract a substring from a given column. So let's say here we have, let's say sales data. In one of the column, we have some sales and its min max value kind of things, something like this. It could be something, the range of a sales in a given day. That is also possible. So this is what we are directly reading from our data, and this is not something we can consume, right? So we want everything. And if you have a problem statement, then what are the things that you need to do to approach a problem? So let's explore what are the available options to extract the stop strings. So I will go into this and I will go to Power Query, like edit query here. And let's see, first we need to create a column or extract a column or split a column. These are the 3, 4 general intuition that you are actually going ahead. So let's see, we want to extract first these kind of a text, and you know that after delaminate, certain delaminator is my relevant value. So here right now what we can do, we will extract. So what I can do here, you can see the split column. We are not going directly to the split columns. I will try to first extract from this string. We need to extract certain things. So let's say what are the options we have. We have the length option. We have the first character. From first character, how much we have want to dig. So let's go one by one, do one. So this is just nothing but calculate the length. Okay. Now if I go again and like first character, let's select. So what it does, it's like it's how many characters. Let's say I just put a 5 random numbers. So it will give the 5 character from the start. It will give just a sales value. So let's say you are very sure, okay, my first 3 or 4 values, let's say we have only 2 decimal places, 4.1, 4.2, 4.8, 10.1. Or so we know that, okay, first 3 digits, it's 4 digit actually is more than makes sense for us. We can use this thing. Now let's say we have range also here, that from which range starting index, let's say starting index 5, and let's say we have a 4 starting index, let's say 8. It will extract 3 digits like this everything like this. So now let's go for some other options. What I prefer is like text before and after simulator. These 3 are important. Let's say we first take the text before delaminator. So everything, let's say equals to, right? Let's equals to what, let's see what it is. We get the sales value. Now let's say we want something before slash. It will go slash sales equals to 10.3, something like this. It will return like this. So we know that, okay, we have a single denominator and we want to extract on and before. Let's say email address is the very good example for this. Now if I move to the text between delaminator, this is interesting. Let's say we want only this middle part is my sales value, the rest is not required for me. So what I will do, equals to, I will set up 2 delaminators here, and let's see, we got the values. So this is how you can explore the extract feature in the Power Edit query, where uh, you can approach to a problem and you will get to know, okay, these are the things that I can explore more. And if you go to advanced option, then also you have a lot of options. So approaching to a problem is something, break it into smaller chunks, that first we want to extract or we want to split, or how we want to do it. Let's say we do not want to extract, we want to split a column. Let's do it. So we have the 6, 7 options like how we can do it. So most common is like by delaminator. So let's say we have a delaminator and it takes by default it takes one of the delaminators in the disk. So if you see equals to is one of the denominator, what it will do, it will split your column into 2 pieces. Now again, if you want to split this into by, let's say 2 columns, again it will have custom and slash, we have any occurrence. So we have the 2 sales value and the string value also. So these kind of things also can be done in Power BI. And let's say, because you need to think in this way, right? Okay, how we can attain to a final conclusion value. Now let's say by position also we have it here. One more option is like 0 to 5 position. We have advanced option, split rows or columns. So 0 to 5, let's select what it will give you. 0 to 5, this is the first 5 text. 0 to 5, and it will split the things. So let's say if you have sales equals to 24, it's quite easy, like 0, take 0 to 6, and we got the sales also and this thing also. So this is all about like what we can do around split and extract. Now let's say this you also tried, nothing is work. Somehow it works to some extent, and you got arrived to a certain problem state, to a certain conclusion. Okay, I have something in my plate. So let's go back to our Power dashboard, and let's see how we can use DAX to extract the same thing. Is it possible or not? If it is possible, then how? So I have already done this thing just to save the time with respect to the time constraint. So what exactly it does and how we can do this. So let's say I want to, now let's say here I have taken the sales. Let's say here we have the product name, and the product name can be in large string, right? But we have the denominator fix, equals to in every, let's say furniture product, technology product, office chairs, kind of things. So how we can do this thing. So, and it's a very basic, like what we do in our Excel also, it's quite similar to that. So what we are using, the left, give me the left text, and first search the delaminator. Delaminator is nothing but the equals to, from this particular text, what exactly the length till that point, and +1, it gives you everything like this. So let's say we want after slash like 454, 45 here. How we can calculate these things, and I will also show you the how the search works actually. Let me show you first search. Okay, what we have written here, it gives you the position of that particular character. Okay, so what I have done in this substring, search this slash in the substring, then get me the length. Okay, length and +1. So what it does, let's see. Let me hit enter. If you see 14, 11, yes, let's count it. Sales is 5, 6 equals 6 belongs to equals to 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. If you are able to follow me, if you see, this is what it does. Sales 5, 6 equals to 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So this is the 11th position. So we have that okay, till denominator, what exactly the position. So after that we want to fetch the value. So this is, then for that we can use the right function here. So what exactly it does, it searches these things till 11, then it gets the length of total length and total length of this thing, this particular substring. Let's say total length is 15. Okay, 15 minus 11 gives me 4, and this 4 text will be returned. Okay, let's hit the enter for this. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So now let's go to, let's say, numeric value. I have just taken the middle part, how you can get the middle part. So oops, my bad. So likewise, this thing after slash like this, if you see like a 45, my bad, I have just in 10.3, actually it's 45. So these kind of things you can get using the search and the right one. So because we want something at the extreme right, let's say if you want something from the middle, okay, you can use middle function also, by the way, but this is something that I found quite easy and I usually use more prominently. So first, like we are just declaring the whatever the substring is, then we want the position of my equals to, because we want everything from equals to and before my slash. So we have both the string position of. Once we have the position, we know that how much is the length actually. So 10.3 is nothing, but it will give you the 4. So these are the 4 words that we want to extract, 4 characters. So what I have done, value, we have taken the med value. Sales is string, nothing but this. Starting, we have the starting position from here. We have the end position here. That is from starting, how many length we want to go, because let's say it will vary, right? If you see 2034.43, the string length will be different as for the 10.3. So what it does, mid value does, we have the starting position. From starting position, give me till length this. Okay, so let's see. And this is how we can calculate. So this is one of the approach that you can follow. There would be a number of approach depending on your string actually. So I've just taken a very simple to show that what are the options available rather than directly creating a solution for that. So take it as more of an option, or explore that what are the things that you can do rather than just taking as this is the foolproof solution. Yes, there could be a number of solutions. This is my approach to tackle this particular kind of problem statement. Hope you like this video and follow for more Power BI updates. Thank you so much.